We'll guide you through how to create a CodePen Carousel using the latest methods and interface updates for 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the CodePen website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button at the top right to start a new pen. In the HTML panel, you'll need to set up your basic structure for the carousel. Start by creating a container div with a class of carousel. Inside this, create another div with a class of carousel inner, which will hold your carousel items. Each item should be a div with a class of carousel item. Add images or content inside these items as needed for your carousel. Next, in the CSS panel, you'll want to style your carousel. Set the carousel container to have a display of flex and overflow hidden to ensure the items are aligned and only one shows at a time. Style each carousel item with a flex basis of 100% and ensure they are aligned horizontally. Now, switch over to the JavaScript panel. Here, you can add functionality to switch between carousel items. Use JavaScript to add event listeners for next and previous buttons that you'll create. These buttons can be added in the HTML with classes like carousel next and carousel prev. In your JavaScript, create functions that change the active class on the items to cycle through them. You can use setInterval to automatically switch items every few seconds, providing an automatic carousel effect. Finally, test your carousel by clicking the Run button at the top of the editor to see it in action. You might need to tweak the CSS for responsiveness and aesthetics, but this setup will get your carousel functional and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.